Hey all, John from Roxton Industries here, back with another video. Today we've got Roxton Wipes. I'm super excited to show you a bit about them, explain to you why they truly wipe out the competition. So Roxton Wipes come in three varieties. They come in a bag, so it can be easily put into any of our dispensers. They come in a canister variation, so it can be used quickly on the go. And it also comes in a bucket dispenser, which is a mobile way to make disinfecting wipes go further than ever. But that isn't why you're still watching this video, and you're certainly not watching it because of me, right? The reason you're watching this video is because you want to know what makes Roxton Wipes different. Roxton Wipes are versatile. They're made with a strong blend of materials that hold up under some of the toughest conditions. Roxton Wipes are used in industrial locations, so they have to be industrial grade. Another reason is because of the volume of wipes you get. When you break it down into how much each individual wipe costs your business, you'll see that it's no more than 4 cents per wipe. Compared to some of the brands that you'll find in a grocery store, they can be as high as 13 cents per wipe. And finally, the solution. The disinfecting solution in Roxton Wipes is bleach and alcohol free, but it can still disinfect up to 99.9% of germs and bacteria. So you've made it this far. The only thing left for you to do is go into the description below, click on that link that takes you directly to our website where you can order your own Roxton Wipes. Oh, while you're there, might as well like and subscribe. It does us a favor, and we have super awesome content coming out, more and more educational and exciting videos. Which actually leads me, we have a new series coming out very soon. Stay tuned to our social media. You can also find that in the description below to find out more about what the first edition of that will look like. Have a good one. But that isn't why you're watching this video, and it certainly isn't me. No, that was, oh, I hate it. I hate it so much. We're not doing that.